Welcome back to the Hub today. Spring is finally here and we're ready to soak in all the sun, the sunshine, the nice weather, and the healthy vegetables.
That's right. Yeah, and we got our girl Maria Sansone here because we're so happy you're here because you are.
I brought you food.
Yes, that's my
Yes, you know how to make these like fuss-proof, easy recipes to get on the table at 5 o'clock when you're like, oh, what's for dinner?
That is the name of the game.
Yeah.
If I can turn Hannah into a cook,
Yeah,
I can turn anyone into
I
a cook.
told you, Maria, I have used your cookbook and I don't know how to cook, and people have complimented me, and I'm like, thank you.
Well, you are my perfect demographic.
Yeah.
I made this book for us. I made this book for busy people who work all day, who come home and they're like, oh my gosh, what am I going to make for dinner? So these are quick and dirty, easy recipes that take the guesswork out and the fuss.
Okay, and we're going to
get today.
Yeah, let's make that.
So today we're going to make Happy Spring, by the way.
Yeah,
so we are going to
Happy
make
Spring.
my springtime veggie pasta. So this is kind of my riff on a pasta primavera.
Okay.
Traditional pasta primavera. But what I do is I use all the veggies, like every single one I can find that's in season, and then I toss it with goat cheese. So it gets very, very creamy, yet you're getting all these nutrients, all the colors of the rainbow. So I went to Market Basket and I got what I could find. I found everything.
Yeah.
I got broccolini, I got pepper, I got yellow squash, zucchini, red onion.
Yeah.
If you can't find all this, that's fine.
It's
also,
just even
cherry
what
tomatoes,
you have in your fridge, right? Because at the end of the
fresh
week,
produce.
Oh, when the produce is going
it's like
bad.
you're like, I got to do something with it.
Yeah.
Throw it all.
You know, you did all that shopping and you bought all that produce, you thought you were going to be a better person.
Every week I think
Now
I'm gonna
that
be a
it's
better
all
person.
left over, you're going to throw it into your
You're
veggie
going to put
pasta.
it all right here.
you,
Did you
Maria.
just roast this?
So all I did, yes, exactly. We roasted this in a little olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So it kind of caramelizes these roasted veggies. These on their own, my friends, are going to be delicious.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then we're going to take that and we're going to toss it into pasta. And in this pasta, I have a little more butter, a little more olive oil, and then some lemon. So go ahead. And then all the juices.
Oh, you put some lemon in there first.
Yeah, I put a little lemon in here because that just brightens it up, you know, gives it that extra nod to spring.
Okay.
So all the juices, that's the
All
good
the good stuff.
So good.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
So that's going to be our sauce,
the veggie.
essentially.
Oh, so
okay.
nothing
I love
extra.
how you're helping. I don't have to do anything.
Well, you brought the food, Maria. We can at least do some work.
We'll do the dishes.
So I'm going to toss this up. So I put that on high heat for about a half an hour.
Okay.
And then that's it. Dinner is served.
Cook the pasta while you're doing
Look at
it.
how good this looks, guys.
delicious.
I toss that in. So Kwani's
top
going to
it?
do the
The whole thing?
goat cheese.
Half of it?
Yeah, this is a cup of goat cheese.
of goat cheese.
So toss it in.
Yeah.
Now, normally this would be coming right off the stove. This
Yeah,
would be
so
on
it's
the
hot.
stove. So
Yeah.
it'd be hot, and you would toss this goat cheese in,
Don't
and it's
miss
just
any
going to
cheese. There you
melt and be like ooey gooey.
Oh, that looks so
and all
good.
of a sudden, you're going to wind up with like a cream sauce
And that's gonna
on your veggies.
How simple is that?
It's so simple. And what I love about this one is it can be eaten hot or cold.
Oh,
this
even
could be
better.
like a pasta
Like a
salad.
picnic salad
if you're
or
going
whatever.
to a party, or this can be like a great dinner for the fam.
Dinner for the fam.
So I'm
Pack
gonna
it up
serve
for
this
lunch
up
the
for you
next
guys.
day.
Yes, yes.
Really easy to bring to the office.
I've been eating this all week.
Yeah.
In fact, this is what I'm making for the big event.
yes,
Tell us
sweet.
about
What
this
is
event.
that big event?
Yes. So I am collaborating with a Mom's Village, which is this great spot in Peabody that really supports moms. It's a great place you can go and even get your grocery shopping done. They'll watch the kids. It's a great thing. So I'm collaborating with them to do this event on Thursday, March 27th. We're having our first ever, what's for dinner party. So you grab a ticket. I'm collaborating with also some other local women-owned businesses like Delicious Treats. We're going to have charcuterie from June and Honey. Balloon Bash is going to be there. So it's great to work with other women in the community. We're just going to have a good time. Drink champagne. I'm going to make the spring veggie pasta.
Do you have to be a mom?
Everyone gets your book. You do not have to
You
be a
don't
mom.
have to be a mom,
No.
and you get a book with your ticket.
Gives you
You
a
get
book.
my whole gift set. So you're going to get the cookbook, you're going to get my menu planner, all available on my website, by the way.
Yeah, mariasansone.com.
So tickets are super affordable. So for the cost of that, you're coming in and getting all the good stuff.
Well, thank you for coming in. Thank you for
Of
cooking this with
course.
us.
This is so
And
good.
congratulations on this event. I'm excited for you, and I'm excited for
Thank
more
you. I hope
people
to see
get
you
their
there.
hands
Thursday.
on this.
Grab your ticket.
Be there.
Cheers.
All right.
Cheers
Thank
for
you.
watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
This is so good.
Good.
It's really good.